Try to 2, B plus, gallop, step, grand jeté, extend, ensemble closed, turn, piqué, piqué, up, up, and lunge. Jump, gallop, tour jeté, landing on layer, and immediately back up to releve. 5 is plie, 6 you extend it around, and 8 you're extending gallop. Grand jeté. When you come back, okay, that's the same the way you started. Gallop with the right leg, grand jeté on the left. Now from here, you're going into a awesome leg, and then up and out to a jeté. Balance on turn off. Here, chaîné, and land here. Then we step back. Arms come to first for amorti. Cheating it into the front. C-zone, facing corner 4. Closing back. C-zone, facing corner 6. Closing back. Arms through first as you jump coupe. Switching the weight immediately onto tombe. So you're jumping up coupe, but then switching the weight right away. Close back, step aside, close front,